Hello and welcome to our podcast today. I'm Norman Schafer, and today I'm joined by Jess, who is a sales and marketing coordinator for Serenity Island Resort. And whether you're looking for a weekend break or a day of sun and snorkel, Serenity Island makes the island escape accessible, offering palm-lined beaches, crystal clear waters, and authentic hospitality just off the coast. So thanks for joining with me today.
Thank you.
Before we dive into today's episode, I want to tell you, if you've ever dreamed of experiencing one of the incredible destinations that we talk about on the show, be sure to visit farandawayadventures.com. For over 30 years, I've helped travelers discover some of the most extraordinary destinations on Earth. If this is of interest, check out the link in the description to farandawayadventures.com, and we'd be happy to make your next trip unforgettable. Jess, can you tell me a little bit about Serenity Island and how it is for those just wanting an escape?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a 48-acre island resort. So one island, one resort at the moment. We are building another complex, which is really exciting for us. So 20 minutes away from the mainland, you head up to Vuda Marina, 20-minute boat ride, and it's a really good 3.5-star, 33 individual bures. So really great to get away for 3 nights a week. However, it's very relaxed, barefoot, rustic, traditional Fijian.
Okay, so you say barefoot, rustic. Can you tell me a little bit about the styles of accommodation that you
So it's purely just bures. So standalone bures, air conditioning, private ensuite, everything like that. So it's a traditional Fijian bures.
And what types of day and overnight experiences do you offer visitors?
Yeah, so we've got lots of different activities from kokoda cooking classes to candy cooking classes. We have a turtle conservation. So we actually have 3 turtle pools. So we've got the baby turtles at the moment. So we've got about 25 tiny, tiny little baby turtles, which are really cool. And then they get to about 1.5 years old, and then we actually release them. So we've actually, at the moment, we're actually been releasing all the turtles.
That's wonderful. Kind of way to incorporate some other types of activities.
Conservation, yeah, definitely.
The resort.
But yeah, you can also like walk around the island. You can run around the island. You can do stand-up paddleboarding. All your non-motorized sports are all included too.
And how easy is it to get to the resort? Like
super easy.
Ride is
yeah. Fiji, it's only about 15-20 minutes boat ride.
And that's from Vuda?
From Vuda Marina, or you can actually go from Denarau as well with South Sea Cruises. Takes about 45 minutes.
Okay. And is there, what would a typical day look like for someone that goes over maybe for 2 or 3 nights?
So definitely not stressful. So you'll wake up at your leisure and then breakfast is included. And then, you can go around the pool, you can grab your snorkeling gear, you can literally snorkel straight off the beaches. Where the reef drops down, you got some beautiful coral. You can do stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, then it'll be cocktail time soon around lunchtime. Have lunch and dinners as well. And then I have different activities throughout the day.
What are some of the most popular activities?
Definitely just relaxing. We can get the jet skis over. If you want to go to Cloud 9 or 7th Heaven, we can have your guests do that too.
Wonderful. And is there a certain time of year when the resort or marine life is best to explore, or is it?
It's all year round.
All year round?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. And especially Fiji, we don't have winter here, so we're very lucky. We're coming into the winter now, so, the beautiful 25 degrees is the coldest you'll probably get.
Wonderful. And what would you say are some of the most common responses that people come back from the resort having said, or some of the feedback?
Just very relaxed. We're not, the typical 5-star where it's just a very relaxed island and everyone just comes there just to real flop and drop, but just to relax, really. Yeah.
Okay. So it's just one place that they can just kind of relax, take a break from the busy life and maybe disconnect.
Yeah, definitely. And then we've also got the Serenity Sands glamping tents, which are opening in September. which is really
5.
2025. We've got 10 glamping tents that are opening, which is very exciting. So that's our
Very new product for Fiji.
very new product for Fiji. So it is something extremely exciting.
And what's that going to look like? What's that glamping experience going to be? I mean, either in tents.
Yeah. So these are our images, how it's going to look. So the glamping tents will take up to 4 people, but you'll have your private decking, king bed with bunk beds as well, private ensuite, and they're all air conditioned, so you don't have to stress about the heat.
Wow, air conditioning.
Right?
Yeah, that is glamping.
It is total glamping. But we're going to have our pool, bar, restaurants, and barbecue facilities, and you're literally right on the beach.
Wonderful.
That's very exciting.
Ah, that's great to hear. Well, thank you so much for the update on Serenity Island Resort, and it's good to see all the new things that are coming.
It's exciting time. So anytime you want to come and visit us.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Discover your next unforgettable journey at farandawadventures.com. Experience the world differently.